Kai, my people, this matter of Natasha Akpoti, Senator Natasha Akpoti, it don't draw leg. Now, Reno or Monkri, now come out so. This whole matter, not be small thing. Reno Monkri don't come out now because I want to listen to her. I don't want to say much. But what happened between Reno and Monkri in 2021, between him and Natasha, Senator Natasha Akpoti, now he can talk so. Allegedly. This woman, the way the elite wanted to drag her, not be small. Like I say, the main topic of this whole thing is gradually being pushing away. If care is not taken, Natasha might even end up becoming person where some of the gullible Nigerians will join the satanic elite, go to pursue they go. Listen to Reno.
On Tuesday, October 12, 2021, Natasha Akpoti had a dispute with me. And after the dispute, she went on social media and accused me of sexually harassing her. She claimed that at a state banquet at the Aso Rock Presidential Villa held by President Goodluck Jonathan for the visiting Kenyan President Uhuru Kenyatta on Tuesday, May 6, 2014, I had harassed her. Now the thing is, a month before, the Chibok girls had been abducted. And as one of his presidential spokesmen, President Jonathan sent me to the United States as a special envoy to try to clean up Nigeria's image. I left in April and I wasn't back in Nigeria until the end of May. So obviously, Natasha Akpoti lied. So what I did, I went on social media and I published my passport stamp with my passport leaving Nigeria and then entering the United States, showing the stamps. And I also published a first-class British Airways ticket showing that I left Nigeria for the United Kingdom and from the United Kingdom to the United States, and I wasn't in Nigeria throughout the time when Natasha Akpoti accused me. So she obviously lied. So what happened is that after the newspapers published my evidence, Natasha deleted all traces of her accusation. She deleted everything. She had made a video insulting me and my wife and my newborn daughter. She also deleted that. The next day, I got a phone call from a prominent Christian clergyman. And they felt that, okay, as a fellow pastor, I would listen to a member of the body of Christ. This is a senior member of the body of Christ. He called me on three-way with Emmanuel Orisejolomi Akpoti, I think Uduaha rather. Emmanuel Orisejolomi Uduaha, Natasha Akpoti's present husband. And they appealed to me, they quoted the scriptural references about Christians taking each other to court. And I listened to them. And we settled the matter out of court. I was paid a large amount of money as damages. And I let the matter go. So, fast forward, 4 years later, Natasha Akpoti had a dispute with the Senate president. And then, after that dispute, she went on Arise TV and accused him of sexual harassment. It sounds like deja vu. Now, the thing is, I do not know if those allegations are true. But one thing I know is that Natasha Akpoti is a liar, a known liar. So, here's the thing. The best predictor of future behavior is past behavior. Before Nigerians crucify Senator Godswill Akpabio, I would encourage people like Obi Ezekwesili and others now agitating to ask Natasha Akpoti to take a lie detector test. It's very easy. Take a lie detector test. Come out, take the test, be escorted by one senator that is in your support and another senator that is just objective. Or if you don't want that, then you can actually go with Obi Ezekwesili herself. And then a third party, maybe somebody from CAN or from the National Supreme Council of Islamic Affairs or some other objective body. Do a lie detector test. Because if you think about what happened to me, if I didn't have the ticket and my passport stamp, and even videos and photographs of me in the State Department in Washington and later at my son's school in San Francisco, everybody would have believed that I harassed Natasha Akpoti. So because I had evidence, she retracted her false allegations and deleted every trace of them. Now, just assume that I'm lying. Just Google Natasha Akpoti accuses Reno Monkri and just read about the facts. It was carried by Punch, Guardian, Vanguard, even this day. So the thing is, I don't know if what she's saying right now is true. But until she takes a lie detector test, the presumption is that she is acting on her past behavior. My name is Reno. Thank you for watching this, and may God bless you.
Wow. At this moment now, I'm confused because someone with someone like Reno who doesn't have any single integrity, Reno that we know that can speak from two sides of his mouth, Reno that you and I know that can do anything just to survive. He's saying this today. Now, I'm speechless now. I'm speechless because there's some sort of evidence from the video that you just watched right now, right? There's some sort of evidence that yes, this whole thing, that these allegations that Reno is bringing up now are recapitulating on right now concerning Senator Natasha Akpoti, that yes, it really happens. But what is the sanctity of this allegation? I cannot really speak over what I don't know. What's your take? Put it on the comment section. I want to learn. This is NAIJA Watch Media. 7 p.m. we'll talk about this extensively. Thank you, and bye for now.